Howdy folks, Jody Marler with FishCamp Custom, and today we're picking out reclaimed mantles. Today we're at MRL, Montana Reclaimed Lumber, and they are one of the many creative suppliers that we have. These guys have been in business doing, all they do is sell reclaimed lumber, buy and sell from across the country. It's places like this, suppliers like this, that add to these incredible homes that we build here. All right, so we've got stuff to look at.
We do.
All right. Let's go have a look. Today we're looking for 3 mantles, one for the great room, which is a 10 by 10, all white oak. What we're looking for in this, I mean, these things are super old. They have these old mortise and tenons in them, and we love to keep that character of the wood. So, yeah, so these are all 10 by 10, right?
Yeah.
Okay, it's enough texture and mortise and checking, and that's what we're looking for. So we'll probably have this facing out, this mortise pocket here. You know, I mean, some of these things are 100 years old, 80 years old, come from the East, Midwest, wherever white oak is grown. And just to be able to see, you know, these were logs that somebody squared by hand, and it's awesome.
Yeah. See, oh yeah, very friendly environment here at MRL.
Exactly. Bring your dog.
We all love, yeah, exactly. Yeah.
You don't have to wash them up or anything? Just leave them?
Yeah, I mean, yeah, maybe we should just have you guys do it. So what would you do? Would you spray them? What we picked out is white oak. I always like white oak for mantle pieces because you can get consistent color through it. But when we use like hewn reclaim on walls, it can be any hardwood or softwood. I don't like to mix hardwood and softwood together, but any hardwood. You can tell the grain on that is that's a white oak down there. This, I'm not sure. This is almost a poplar.
You might be into a beech there.
Okay,
so
yeah.
for our mixed hardwoods, we do get a lot of beech, ash, elm, hickory, some poplar.
And it all still has that same color to it. You know, once they're cleaned up and wire wheeled, they just glow. So we're just walking through the yard and just came across this. That's the great thing about MRL and their yard, is they have so much material from all over the country, sometimes all over the world. This is a pile of hardwood.
Two-sided hand hewn. Lots of times it is used as like sleepers and floor structures for larger barns. So the two-sided, it has 2 faces that are hand hewn and then 2 live edges.
We did this on one of our last projects where had these guys basically slice that face off, that character face off of each side, and power wash it, and we end up wire brushing this stuff, and it just brings out all of these colors. And you can kind of see it in this piece right here. So right now you look at this and it's like, man, it looks like firewood, but once you put a little bit into this, it really lights up. All right, man. Thanks a lot.
You bet. We'll get those cleaned up for you and see you next week.
All right. Thanks, Greg.
Thanks. Take
See
care.
ya.